Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Going on, guys, as promised, I'm at the desk and I'm going to be showing you now how to get your Amazon gift card codes. So I've opened up Google on my iPhone, but you can use an Android device or whatever iPhone or Android you have. Go to the search bar in Google and just type this website exactly how I'm going to type it here: speedycoupons.com. So you're looking for speedycoupons.com, the ultimate coupon site. Ensure it is this website, guys. If you don't see this website, you've not typed this correctly. And basically on this website, you need to go to the search bar here and just type in Amazon, and it should pop up Amazon gift cards and coupons. Open that page up by pressing on it. Scroll down and there is a selection of gift cards, promo codes and gift cards. So you can see this is $100, 50% off, 150 gift card and free Prime. This video is the gift cards, so this is a $150 Amazon gift card code, so tap show coupon, and here we go. This is our selection, which is a $150 Amazon gift card code, and you can see there is the start of the code, but the full code needs to be unlocked. This is just because the codes are protected from robots. So tap unlock code, and the next step in the process is important, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully. You're going to be now seeing this page here, where essentially with this is how we unlock the code. We need to just complete 2 of the tasks listed below, and they're all completely free, and there is a description on how to complete them. So this one here says fill in your valid details and confirm. So I just need to answer some questions and input whatever information it requires here. So it needs my email. I'm going to go back and choose a second one. So this one here is a similar one where I just need to basically answer questions, and I think I need to create a free account on this website. Yep, so I just need to basically create an account here. So I'm going to go ahead and complete both of these, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Hey guys, so I've returned and I went ahead and finished both of those free tasks. Pretty easy. You just have to make sure you follow the instructions, because to unlock your code you do need to fully complete any 2 of the free tasks that you see on this page. So once you've done that, your code should be unlocked. So you press your tabs or wherever that is on your device, and you're going to see this Amazon's coupon tab here. Open that up, and my $150 Amazon gift card code has now been revealed. And this is a simple promo code, or gift card code I should say, that you enter into the gift card redeem page on the website or on your app, and it's going to credit your Amazon account a $150 balance or whatever that is in your local currency. So for me it's around 120 Great British pounds. And that is how you do it, guys. You need to get your personal code at speedycoupons.com. Follow the instructions you've seen here. Press the like button if you got your code. Of course, you can leave a comment below if you need any help. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy, guys.